Hi guys, I'm gonna show an easy way to make professional quality voiceovers for your e-learning courses. First, go to murph.ai and open a project. You can create a new one or continue with an existing one. Next step, create voiceover from text. Type out your script or copy-paste in multiple text blocks and generate voice. Remember to break down the script into smaller blocks. Now, let's see how to adjust the size of an audio block. Select a block in the bottom timeline and drag to increase its size or decrease it. One thing to note here: if you reduce the size of the block so much that your actual voice time is more than the block size, you would see a yellow warning here. To fix this, increase the size again, or change speed of narration from the top menu. Now, press the Build Audio button on the right side of the screen. Once it is done, you would see option to either download or share your audio file. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial.